Good day all. Today I'm going to walk you through the 6 steps of the Debt Snowball Method, a tried and true debt relief strategy that has worked for countless individuals before you. Let's just jump right in. Step 1. List your debts. Start by listing out all of your debts from smallest balance to largest balance. This means ignoring interest rates for the moment and focusing solely on the total amount owed. 2. Minimum payments. Continue making the minimum payments on all of your debts to avoid penalties and keep your accounts in good standing. 3. Target the smallest balance. First, take any extra funds you have available in your budget and apply them towards the smallest balance credit card, while continuing to make minimum payments on the other cards. By focusing on paying off the smallest balance first, you'll not only experience a psychological win when that debt is fully paid off, motivating you to keep going, but it's the fastest way to an account-paid trade reporting on your credit report, which in turn raises your FICO score. 4. Reapply excess money. Once the smallest debt is paid off, take the total amount you were paying towards that debt, minimum payment plus any extra funds, and apply it to the next smallest debt. This creates a snowball effect, where the amount you're putting towards debt repayment grows as you pay off each debt. 5. Wash, rinse, and repeat. Simply repeat the process. Continue this process until all of your debts are paid off. As you eliminate each debt, the amount you're able to apply towards the next debt increases, allowing you to pay off larger balances more quickly. And finally, 6. Maintain discipline. It's crucial to stick to your budget and avoid accumulating new debt while you're working on paying off your existing debts. Now go forth with confidence and slay the fire-breathing debt dragon.